Magic 89.9.
All right. Thank you so much to Goyo. Once again, you're tuned in to Night Live with me, Isabel, on Magic 89.9. Teka guys, pa-share ng camera. Singit tayo. Ayan, yan. Hi! Maraming salamat at dumating na kayo at natagpuan na namin kayo lahat. Nax! Ayan. Uy, alam nyo, minsan lang ako mag-match with the guys. Sabi rin na ba tama yung outfit ko today. Maraming salamat guys. How was it? How was it performing here? A lot of people say it feels like the pandemic. How does it feel for you guys to perform a
It
night
kind
live?
of feels like pandemic po talaga.
No?
And yeah, the vibe, the setup.
Oo nga, kasi tayo-tayo lang nandito.
Yes.
Right? Pero it's good because I feel like, I have to say, ngayon ko lang na-realize na one of my favorite genres of OPM is indie folk.
Wow.
I know, hindi ko lang sinasabi yun para matuwa kayo. Kasi laking tao po nila guys, parang nakakatakot pagka parang lalamunin ako dito. Pero it is really my favorite type of music, and I've wanted to bring bands who sound like that because you remind me of one of my favorite bands. You know the Ransom Collective?
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, and it sounds like a road trip type of soundtrack. And perfect because the show is called Night Live, and it is during the time when people are driving across traffic. So if you are listening on the road, 89.9 on your dial, hopefully this one made traffic a little bit easier for you guys. So let's get to know Goyo a little bit more. Why are you guys called Goyo?
Pwede po ba magtagalog?
O naman,
Ayan.
pwede. Oo nga eh.
Kaya
Diba?
ba ako nag-English si Bill Smash?
Hindi ko rin alam kung ba't mo ako sinagot ng English eh, kasi kanina ka pa nagtatagalog.
No? Tama ba?
Tissue, kasi
Actually,
pinagpapawisan.
Yung Goyo po, ano talaga siya? From the movie.
Na Goyo?
Yes, yung Bayani verse ng Artikulo 1, yung may General Luna, may Goyo, may Quezon. So, kaya po namin napili yung Goyo na name. Inspired po talaga siya dun sa movie na Goyo kay Gregorio del Pilar. And kaya po yun yung napili namin band name. Kasi gaya ni Gregorio del Pilar, at a young age, naging general na po siya. And kami po, at a young age din before, nag-start na kami ng music. So parang kaya Goyo yung naging name namin. Gusto naming i-showcase together with Goyo, the name of our hero Goyo, na at a young age, gusto nating ipakita na agad yung talent. Lumabas na tayo sa shadow natin. Na parang ipakita na natin kung sino tayo. As long as wala tayong napakan na tao. Yun po. Parang gusto namin na mag-redeem na kagad yung mga bata ka pa lang, redeem mo na yung sarili mo, kung anong mga capabilities mo, kung anong mga gusto mong gawin, kung anong mga gusto mo subukan. Kaya po naging Goyo yung band name namin.
So it really was inspired by
Yes.
Goyo, yung Bayani talaga.
Yes.
So since it was inspired by the movie, and on my show sometimes we talk about, sa show ko,
Sa show mo, ma'am.
sa show ko, minsan, pinag-usapan namin movies. Now, if you guys were to choose a movie, let's say a Tagalog movie, a Tagalog film, na your album, San Sinukob, could be part of the OST of that movie, what movie would you guys pick?
Actually, ma'am, DJ. Sorry.
Okay lang ma,
Actually,
pwede
DJ.
rin. Nakakatanda nga yung ma'am eh, pero pwede din.
Sorry po. Actually, yung San Sinukob po na song namin, and yung album na talaga, kung sino po fan dito ng Marvel, God inspired po talaga siya dun sa isang linya lang ni Doctor Strange, yung movie niya dun na Doctor Strange Multiverse of Madness. May line po kasi siya dun sa thought niya na I love you in every universe. So parang gusto namin gumawa ng song na San Sinukob na parang kahit anong mangyari, ikaw pipiliin ko kahit isang mundo, kahit isang timeline, ikaw lang ikaw, gano'n.
So kung pwede, sa Doctor Strange movies yung San Sinukob.
Doon namin siya gustong i-soundtrack. Official OST yung San Sinukob dun sa movie ng Marvel. Bagay talaga. I mean,
Kasi doon nga naman siya gawin. Tagalog version, oo. May
Tagalog version.
biglang maglulonging si Doctor Strange habang nagaan. May slow-mo, tas tutugtog yung San Sinukob. Tama, no?
bilog. Yun ang si Ay, Tagalog yun. Bilog.
Ayos ah. Pero I was listening to it, and as well as the album. Yung San Sinukob as a whole, it sounds like a journey across universe nga. Naman, big words guys, big words. Trabaho ko to eh. So, it does sound like it's traveling through time across universes, and that line of Doctor Strange, na I will choose you in every universe, talagang it really showed in the album, I have to say. And for me, at least listening to it, it sounds like something that kayang gawin lang ng tao na marami ng pinagdaanan. Unless magaling lang kayo mambola.
Ay, hindi po.
Diba? Unless...
Goyo lang po band name namin, pero hindi kami
Nanggogoyo. Wah, naman. So, anong mga pinagkakaabalahan nyo dati before you guys were Goyo? Kasi sabi nyo, bata pa lang kayo, tumutugtog
Yes.
na kayo, di ba? So, what was Goyo before? What was the journey behind
most
it?
of us po, sports, basketball, badminton, basketball, volleyball, table tennis.
Table tennis. Ah!
Sports din po kami before. Tapos, yun, parang sa music industry na din po kami nagkakilala. Strangers kami before lahat talaga. Tapos, shout out to Loki's Place kasi doon kami nagkakilala lahat. Isang bar place po siya sa North. Loki's Place yung pangalan. Tapos doon po nabuo yung samahan namin, ganun. Tapos after ilang years, nagkaroon ng timing na pwede kami maging bandmates. So, green up namin yung opportunity.
Oo. Sa multiverse ni Doctor Strange, nagtugma-tugma ang mga
Nag-align ng mga stars
Oo,
ng
tama.
universe.
Ah, okay. So I wanted to ask, parang ginagoyo talaga ako kasi hindi ko maintindihan. Yung mga patawat, di nyo lang narinig, pero tumatawa sila sa likod.
Hindi po.
Okay, so I wanted to ask then, kasi you guys have a band logo. It looks like a mountain with
Yes.
seas, tas pa-triangle yung logo ng Goyo. What is the story behind that? Sinong gumawa? Paano naisip?
Shout out kay Kuya Richard, our graphic artist.
Artist?
Yeah, artist. Kaya po, parang ano siya, bundok na Goyo fan.
Yeah, you have tattoos of a triangle as well
Yes.
on your arm.
Po, kasi parang yung Goyo po, siyempre si Goyo parang, ano nga po, nire-representa namin is, di ba kapag bundok po, may nire-reach ka kasing goal. So gusto namin ganun din po sa Goyo, na parang ma-feel ng mga sumusuporta sa amin, nakikinig ng music namin na hindi lang basta dat may pangarap ka. Dapat, kahit pinakita mo na kung sino ka, dapat gawan mo ng aksyon para ma-reach mo yung gusto mo, final destination. Ganun.
Final destination? Parang mali yata yung final destination.
Ano ba?
Kung kumbaga sa movies kasi yung final destination lahat sila naman.
Huwag yung movie, ma'am. Maubos tayo niyan.
Ma-fulfill yung destiny. Ah,
Yes.
tama naman. Tama.
Tapos kumbaga never-ending learning. Kumbaga parang, parang mga mountains sa buong mundo. Pag nakita mo to, may mas maganda, tingin mo, may iba pang maganda. Kumbaga never-ending learning siya, never-ending scenery. Ganun po.
Ah, so parang pagdodoktor lang, music is a practice. You have to
Yes.
grow in it, in the industry as well. So why indie folk yung napili yung genre? Kasi there are a lot of genres. You guys are a full-fledged band, so you could sound like rock stars, pwedeng bandang-banda talaga yung tunog. Bakit nyo pinili yung indie folk as a genre?
Personally po, I am a alternative guy talaga before. So,
You know, genuinely, you look like one.
from shout out to Yellow Room Music, our label. We're from
Yay.
Yellow Room Music po. And mahilig po talaga ako sa makinig ng mga dati, like Mayonnaise, Hail, ganyan, mga ganyan. Tapos, siguro po nung nagkaroon ako interval na parang makinig ng ibang type ng music, ito po yung pumukaw ng damdamin ko personally na parang, parang gusto ko try yung folk na influence or genre sa music ko. Then, nung binuo ko po yung Goyo with them, pumayag din naman sila. Tapos na-absorb na rin nila yung yung folk ganun. Kasi parang pag folk chill lang, tapos
Oo nga.
lang siya, parang pag pinapahinga mo yung folk, parang healing vibe, healing energy po yung
Totoo.
binibigay.
Para kang kailangan nasa tuktok ka ng bundok, tapos sinisigaw mo yung
nag-aaral po
kanta.
lahat ng Sansinukob.
Oo, tama. And it's a lot of acoustic guitar as well as drums if I hear the music na indie folk. So your album, San Sinukob, how many tracks are on the album again? Released like last year, no?
Yes po, October 2025. October 24 siya ni-release. It has 12 tracks.
Oh, so it's a full album
Yes,
na
it's a
this
full-length
time.
album.
So
Debut album namin, first album po ng banda namin.
First album, and you really hit all the marks on the album. It's a really good album, you guys.
Thank
It is
you.
available on all digital streaming platforms. Of course, yes, ni panggogoyo lamang. But yung album na San Sinukob, how did you guys make the music for that? Because it's a lot of heartbreak songs, longing as well, singing about somebody na parang hindi mo maabot-abot.
Yun
Diba?
nga po, katulad ng San Sinukob, kaya yun din yung pinili namin title ng album namin. Yung tracks po kasi dun sa album is, it has different emotions. Kumbaga, may kanya-kanyang approach tayo on how we listen to the song po eh. Kung anong minsan kahit masaya yung kanta, sa ibang tao iba yung tama nun kasi alam ba, may masayang kanta. Pero naalala niya kasi yung ex niya sa kanta na yun. Nagiging malungkot yung song. So, kaya po San Sino yung pinili namin kasi never ending yung universe eh. Kumbaga walang ending. So, yung parang feelings natin, ganun din naman eh. Kumbaga, pinipili natin kung anong emosyon na nilalabas natin, pinipili lang natin. So parang ganun, never ending siya. Di mo naman kumbaga hindi nyo po nape-predict naman kung ano yung mga mangyayari. So gusto ko ganun din po yung ma-feel nila doon sa album namin. Kaya tinawag namin sa San Sinocob kasi nga po, yung universe never ending, siya, full of surprises, unexpected. Kunyari may meteor dyan, di mo naman yun.
Di ba, pre? O,
Katulad ng problema.
pre, tulungan nyo naman, namamawis na yung tao.
Tulad ng problema, pag nakita mo yung problema, it's either iiwas ka or haharapin mo. So, parang ganun siya. Yung analogy po namin.
Tama. Di ba kabagala, nag-make sense yung mga sinasabi mo.
Yes, ako ni DJ, alam ko yan.
Oh, gets na kita. Naway magets din ng ibang tao. But if you wanna get it, truly listen to the album. And yun nga, music kasi is up to interpretation, di ba?
Yes po.
So it was released last year in October. So it meant something to you guys then. It was a debut album, first full-length album with all of your songs, showing off the world na ito yung Goyo, ganito yung sound namin, and we want to be known for this sound. Now, it's a new year, second month of the year, February, start of the month as well. Ano nang gusto nyong ipakita sa tao na ito naman ang gusto naming pakitang mukha ng Goyo?
For now po, gusto lang namin na ipalaganap pa yung advokasya ng San Sinocob. Kumbaga, marami pa pong hindi nakakarinig ng album. So, we're doing our best to ipakala talaga yung music namin. Hindi lang po dito sa Metro Manila, kundi outside Metro Manila. Gusto namin mapukaw yung mga taong ma-touch talaga, mahanap namin yung mga right listeners for Goyo.
Yeah.
Yun po ang goal namin this year.
That's true. Of course, kasama niyo yung magic and the show para mapalaganap pa yung music ng Goyo. And of course, we're gonna help you with that because we love OPM music.
9.9.
Yes. Now, part of the advocacy para malaman pa ng ibang tao kung ano ang Goyo, anong tunog ng Goyo, where can the people find you? Do you have any gigs coming up?
Yes. You can look us up to sa mga social medias namin, Campo.Goyo with a K, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Naka-upload po sa social medias namin lahat ng mga schedules ng shows namin. And sa mga songs naman namin, available po siya sa lahat ng digital media platforms, katulad ng YouTube Music or Spotify, Apple Music.
Yan, maraming salamat, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, as well as those listening on air. Once again, Goyo on Nightlive. If you want to hear them, they are available on all digital streaming platforms with their newest album, San Sinocob, and on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Campo.Goyo with a K. Thank you so much, you guys. Once again, yay! Thank you so much.
Shoutout pala po sa mga namin supporters, Camp G. Thank you.
Yes, oo, naman dapat. Shoutout sa... Sige, go. If you guys want to shout out anybody, go ahead, go ahead.
Kuya Dre, yung mami mo, tsaka asawa mo, nanonood, nabasa ko.
Baka naman.
Hello sa mga nag-comment, family, friends.
Ikaw,
Hi.
Shout out sa whosoever, kay Chewy. Salute. And syempre sa mga kasama namin.
Ganyan yung salute ko dyan.
Sa mga kasama namin ngayon, kila Prince, Sir Vince, kay Adrian. Thank you so much guys for supporting us.
How about you, Aya? Shoutout pala sa drummer talaga namin. And matatanggal na siya siguro. Joke lang. Pagaling ka, brother. We miss you. And syempre, palakbangan natin si DJ Isbel. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. As well as sa drummer nilang sana sa susunod matatagpuan na rin namin, no? Ang hindi dumating. Thank you so much, Goyo, for coming. And thank you everybody to listening on Nightlive. Once again, I'm Isbel. You're listening to today's best music. We are Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9.